5 interesting facts about python snake. Fact number 1. Pythons are one of the largest species of snakes, with some individuals growing up to 10 meters, 33 feet in length, and weighing over 130 kilograms, 290 pounds. Fact number 2. Pythons are non-venomous and kill their prey by constricting it. They use their powerful muscles to squeeze the prey until it suffocates, and then swallow it whole. Fact number 3. Some species of pythons, such as the Burmese python, are considered invasive in certain parts of the world. These snakes are native to Southeast Asia, but have been introduced to other regions, such as Florida, where they have become a threat to native wildlife. Fact number 4. Pythons are excellent swimmers and can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes. They use their strong muscles to propel themselves through the water and can even hunt fish and other aquatic prey. Fact number 5. Female pythons can lay up to 100 eggs at a time, which they then coil around to keep warm and protect from predators. Once the eggs hatch, the young snakes are fully independent and must fend for themselves. Thanks for watching Facts Tech. Subscribe our channel for latest update.